Here's the Nokia G21. I'm going to show you how to insert the micro SD card as well as how to format it while it is in the phone. So the first thing we got to do is take out this SIM/SD card tray. So let me just put it back in and I'll show you how to take it back out. Okay. So go ahead and grab your SIM ejection tool. It does come out of your box. If you don't have this laying around, you can always grab another SIM ejection tool from a different device, iPad, tablet, or another phone. Or you can even use like a paper clip, bobby pin, even a backup stud earring, as long as the needle part is long and kind of thin. Okay. So top left hand side is the SIM/SD card tray. You can kind of see the outline right there and see that little tiny hole. I'm going to insert the needle into the hole and I'm going to press towards the phone until that little tiny lip pops out just a little bit. And now you're going to have to kind of wiggle that out. So we're going to wiggle. So you may have to kind of, there we go. Okay, and so I had one of my SIM cards in there. So let me keep the SIM card in here. So now I took the tray out just like this. Okay, so leave it just like that. And I go ahead and grab your SD card and you just want to put it right side up. How you see the wording on there, make sure it's right side up. I only have a small 32 gigger here, but it can go up to 512 gigs, all right? So what you want to do is just place it on there, okay? It doesn't snap in. Just lay it on top and make sure it's flush. Don't turn it over, it's going to fall out. All the cards will fall out, okay? So now, just make sure that when you put it in, slide it in, you want to slide it in slowly, okay? So we're going to go slowly here. Get in there, there we go. All the way in, okay? Now, let me go ahead and sign in. So I'm going to sign in. Now we're going to go to settings and we're going to format it, okay? So we're going to go slide up on the screen like that. We're going to look for settings. There's my settings right there. And then from here, then we want to go to storage. So go down here, I see storage right here. So let me tap on storage. Now we have your internal shared storage, which is our phone's internal memory. And then we have your portable storage, which is our SD card down here. And mine says, you can see I have a Samsung SD card. If there's nothing down here, then you need to reinsert your SIM card or it may be corrupted. Okay, anyway, mine is right here. Let me tap on that right there. And then this pops up here. I'll just open with files. And I'll just go just once. Now you can see all my my folders that I currently have on the SD card. So let me go ahead and format this now. Don't forget, with a format, you will be erasing everything. Okay, so I don't have anything important on here. The three dots on the top right hand side. Let's tap on that. And then let's go down to storage settings. And then we get a little format right here. So let me tap on format and I'm going to proceed to format. Don't forget, it will erase everything on here. Format SD card. Give it like 10 seconds or so. Voila, your SD card is ready to use and we're ready to rock and roll there. Any questions or issues, just comment below. All right, good luck.